Hey, let me show you how easily you can install this memory card into your Redmi Note 13. So first of all, you have to grab your phone and locate SIM slot. It's actually at the bottom. We have to use the SIM tool and we have to input it just right here. And now when you press on it, it will actually jumps out. Now we have to use our fingernails to remove this SIM slot. There we go. And we have to rotate this SIM slot because this memory card slot is actually right here. So to properly input it, let's get this memory card. As you can see, we have to put it like this, in this position. So let's try to put it here. There we go. And now let's press on it. So you will actually hear that click sound, and when you properly input the memory card on the SIM slot, it's actually completely flat. It doesn't goes above this SIM slot. So now to put it back, we have to put it in this position. Now just gently press on it, and now it's inside. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.